friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about NZXT new generation H7 case. So friend, NZXT announces the next generation of mid-tower cases, the H7, and friend, this new case offers three new options: the H7, the H7 Flow, and the H7 Elite. And friend, each features better thermal performance for CPUs and GPUs, improve cable management channels, and toolless entry for side panels. And friend, every H7 features NZXT's simple, clean, and elegant design aesthetic. And friend, the H7 features an open up top that follow for the mounting of 360mm radiators and improved thermal performance. The cable management is upgraded with widened channels, hooks to grab hold to difficult cables, and more space, making cable routing simple. And friend, the side panels are toolless, making for easy entry to update any parts, fix any issue, and check in your gaming PC. And friend, these features are housed within a design inspired by the original H710 but smaller, sleeker, and with a clean finish and more color options to match any setup. And friend, if I talk about the pricing is starting at 129.99 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.